Hey, here's a big gay boat. Woo!
It's pretty in pink.
Hey, Danny, you like my size? Yeah. When they say get off, they mean get off.
What I say this was? 1958?
Yeah. 68.
16-foot rowboat?
How'd you find that out anyway?
Huh?
How'd you find out what you...
Foundation.
Oh.
Water project at Kubaru Lights and
Hot red lights?
Hot Red Lights and, well, you know who I am.
Well, you know who I am.
Boat needed some work. Pick it up for a cheap price. Figured we fix it up. Give it a new paint job.
It's gonna be camo.
It's gonna be camo.
My back is dry. Up here is pretty.
What a freak.
What are you gonna do? Post them as part projects? Like part 1, part 2, part 3 shit.
Thinking something like that.
I don't want to be dry again.